What would you, Mr. Rooster? Wake up with the sun. A cock-a-doodle-doo, a brand new day's begun. Good morning, little chicks. Peep, 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 peep. The rooster's crowing loudly. Time to rise from sleep. The cows are in the meadow. Moo, 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 moo. The pigs are in the mud. Oink, 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 too. The ducks are in the pond. Quack, 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 quack. The sheep are in the field. Ba, 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 ha. Thanks for your loud song. Now the farm is waking up and everyone's singing.